Madeeks. How much time I tell you for more from in front of people in business place?
Yardie, me just there I wonder how astronaut got the moon and them not got the sun.
Madeeks, you're really mad for true. How them forgot the sun? You know see how sun hot?
You a idiot, then them no can go in at the night.
Leave the area, your mother shad. You come back at people in business place. Leave the area.
Where? So you favor John Crow.
Hey Madeeks, you know you try my patience. Mind me if you use my button upon you, you know.
I just the time me I try find out.
Where madman want no time for? You don't have no use for time, so move up. You come back again, me I gonna mash you up now.
Nobody mash me up. Just tell me what time it is and then me leave.
Oh, you're so interested in that time. Why you want to know the time?
Tell me the time and then me tell you why.
I just 1 o'clock now. So why you want to know the time?
Cause when at 3 o'clock, you fi come kiss me ass. Why? Why? Murder! Help! Why? Help! Why? Murder! Help! Bobby! Save me! He might run me down to catch me.
Yardie, is where Madeeks do make you run him down.
The mad boy bright. But when 3 o'clock come kiss him ass.
What? Seriously? That him tell you for do?
Yeah man. You know see same bright. That's why I want to catch him.
But Yardie, you're kinda early still cause I not 3 o'clock yet. I just 1:15.
Alex, come make we go pick some mango.
See one big mango there up in at the top?
Yeah, me see it. Make we stone it now. Alex, you unleany. Mind your boss, my head.
Youth, you know how long me a watch you stone the mango? Then suppose the mango na ripe.
A true Madeeks attack. And look how long we dey a stone.
And I get tired fi fling.
No worry on yourself. Me a go climb the tree for you and check it out.
Because it dey way up in at the top. That's why we're afraid to climb the tree.
Me not afraid to climb tree. A country me born and grow.
Look on that thin limb there near the mango.
A monkey dem me call me when me little.
Why? Because you're ugly like monkey?
No, because me was an expert tree climber.
It look like the mango not ripe. It's a good thing Madeeks come climb the tree for we.
Else would have still there stone green mango.
No youth, the mango ripe. Me just come down for help on the stone it. Only just pile up some stone in one big heap.
I and I into livestock farming, you know.
So Ross, you raise hog too?
No, strictly goat I and I raise.
Stumpy, stop Mac the Jet. You know Ras Jerry not have nothing to do with ag.
So when you gonna make a curry one of the goat and have a big feast?
I and I in a partake in the animal flesh. I am strictly vegetarian. Anyway, I am attend to I am an herd. Look more. Yo, someone disrespect I am an herd. I want to know who. It nah go so. Wait till me catch who do it.
Ras Jerry, is what happened?
I wake up this morning to go feed my herd. I'm shocked for see what I'm to my goat them.
Don't tell me. They make curry goat out of them?
Somebody paint I am and goat them yellow.
No man, I disrespect that. Why them never paint them red? I joke me around still. So what y'all go do, Ras?
If me ever catch you do it, me deal with them case wicked. Is who paint my goat them? It nah go so. Wait till me catch who do it. Madeeks, are you pay my goat them?
Nah, Anna me mad, but me an idiot. So Ross, our color them paint them in a.
It's which one I know pay my goat them?
I no we. After we don't know what you talk about.
If me ever catch you do it, me deal with them case wicked.
And me paint your goat them. What you gonna do about it?
Just want to say the first coat dry. And if you want, you can come put on the next coat.
Taxi! Taxi!
Yo, brother, you a madman? Or if you step in the road them kind of way there?
Oh, no ever see madman walk out in a traffic yet? Him no mad cabby. Him insane. Cabby, me go to airport. Me hurry.
Calm down, Jackie Chan. We will get you there on time, man.
Me no Jackie Chan. Me Japanese. Jackie Chan Chinese.
So what's the difference? Only look alike to me. Anyway, don't worry yourself, man. We will get you to the airport on time. A lick shot them call me around here.
Me no understand what you mean.
Oh, them call me lick shot, cause my cab move like a speeding bullet.
Me like that. Cause me in hurry.
Alright, Jackie, come in and prepare for the ride of your life.
Then cabby really gone with the madman? Lick shot, you fire blank man, and me in hurry.
Jackie, this me, you know. You see, if you never in a hurry, me stop and kung fu you.
See Honda, very fast, made in Japan. Look, Mitsubishi Go, very fast, made in Japan. Hey, Suzuki, very fast, made in Japan. Me going miss flight now, all because of slow po cab. How much for cab fare?
$25,650.75.
What? Too much for fare? You rob me.
meter, very fast. Made in Japan. Cho, only saw this madman run out in the road like a madman. Why? Look how Cabby lick me down and kill me. Oh. Get up out of the road. You're only hallucinating. You're not dead for now.
Uno give him some sweet sugar water there.
Me can get a bun and cheese with it too.
Right tail, it look like a hungry Madeeks did hungry.
The one Cabby mini man. I'm gonna buy me the bun and cheese.
Oi, waiter. Can I get some service, please?
Richie British, you in at the place? Well, yeah, I don't know, my boss.
Let me have a bottle of your most expensive champagne. Hey, fam, I would like you to take it over to that gorgeous young lady sitting by herself over there. Got it, bruv? And bruv, tell her it's with my compliments. Richie British. Got it, fam? I'm sure she's a woman of expensive taste. And who knows, bruv, I might just get lucky tonight. Eh?
Chat bout. From your walking, me know to share eyes you. Bet you say you win her over with ease. My lady, the big boss over there send this to you with his compliments.
Give him this note for me.
Yo, Richie, she sent back a note to you, you know. And it looked like she waiting on your response before she bust the champagne.
For me to accept this battle, you need to have a Mercedes in your garage, a few million in your bank account, and 9 inches in your trousers.
Alright. And that you say? Give her this note for me then, bro.
My lady, Richie Bitches send back a note to you.
Just so you know, right? I have a brand new Porsche outside and a brand new Beamer pack up in my yard. And I got over 10 million P's in the bank. But nobody, I mean nobody, not gonna make me cut 3 inches off what I'm having in my pants. So fam, you can just send back the champagne, eh?
Courtney, so who that a knock on the door?
So why you have to come knock on this door? Look how much other house dey on this road. Brother, me can't help you. Sorry.
Who was it at the door?
A man asked me to come give him a push.
So why you never go help him?
You know, see rain a fall win some?
You're going to make a little rain stop you from helping your fellow man? We must always try to do a good deed, no matter the circumstance. What kind of example you setting for Billy? You remember the night when you brought down on the dark country road? And a complete stranger stop and give way a push start. Always remember, so one good turn deserves another.
Well, the man gone already, cause me tell him say me can't help him.
Courtney, you're knocking on the door again.
Is the same brother come back, asking for a push again?
One help him. Blessings will follow you. Boy, Courtney, you're soaking wet. Never mind your husband. He's all for a good cause. So I guess you give him the push start and him gone now.
Which push start? The one madman sit down in the swing song, run at the yard back. The man have me a push him the whole time in the rain.
Mr. Lunatic, now that you have been pronounced cured, what are your plans?
Well, I used to be a liar, so I may go back to that. I may try teaching too.
Excellent. That's what I like to hear. It shows you're really cured.
And if I don't like enough doors, I might try architecture. Or even piloting a jumbo jet. Of course, I might become a little teapot, short and stout.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Just tip me over and pour me out.
Rotted. Him not pass the test. He look like him still mad. Madu, today is our big day to get discharged from this madhouse.
Doc, a man outside want to know if I lose any male inmate.
Nobody has escaped. All our patients are accounted for. Why?
Well, him say somebody run away with him wife.
Me, I go in first for my interview. And when me come out, me tell you the answer. That means, the two of we can get discharged together.
Good idea. All them say you're mad.
Mr. Madeeks, if someone cuts out both your eyes, what will happen?
Me, we get blind that.
Okay, if you should leave Jamaica, which country is the first one you will want to visit?
Cuba, Doc. Long time I want to go Cuba, you know.
What mode of transportation will you use to get there?
Doc, you know, say it's a boat me would have take figure.
Well, Mr. Madeeks, it seems like you are cured. We will discharge you forthwith. Send in the next patient when you go outside.
Madu, he passed my test, you know. Doctor, I must send you in now. When you go in, the doctor going to ask you 3 questions. The first answer is blind. The second answer is Cuba. And the third answer is both.
Sure, that easy for remember. Blind, Cuba, and both.
I will change the order of questions for this one. Mr. Madu, if you should leave Jamaica, where will you go first?
Blind.
If someone cuts out both your eyes, what will happen?
Cuba.
Are you a monkey or an idiot?
Both.